Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily update the Facetime application on your iPhone in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. But before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button. So guys, basically if you go to App Store and search for FaceTime, now right here you'll not be able to find any update or something like that whenever you check, but you can do one thing that you can do to update the FaceTime application. All you'll have to do is to tap on settings, then general, and then software update. Now once you're on this page, if it shows any software update, all you'll have to do is to tap on update now, and basically it will update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, which will fix all the bugs and glitches or other issues in FaceTime app, and it will stabilize your FaceTime app, and it will make better, and it will increase the quality of FaceTime app. So guys, that's all for today. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, let me know.